Step inside the walls of the 25-year leader in classic and custom boat restorations. Watch as the meticulous Craftsmen use the most advanced materials and processes in the industry to restore, repair, and build some of the most beautiful boats on the water, including their own Metan Classic Collection.
Hi folks, I'm Mike Borelli. Here at Metan, we custom build classic style vessels and perform restorations on boats we refer to as the family heirloom. We also take on fiberglass repairs sent to us from across the country with the client's confidence that vessel will be returned better than new. From the very beginning, our work was described as meticulous, and I often told to be anal retentive.
And this is Making It Metan.